कर्नाटक के वजीर आला DK शिवकुमार ने 20 जुलाई को बेंगलुरु के विधानसौधा में घर घर मुफ्त जाती सर्टिफिकेट और मुस्तकिल रिहायशी सर्टिफिकेट तकसीम करने की मुहिम का आगाज किया। इस मौके पर इन्होंने मुस्तकिल रिहायशी सर्टिफिकेट के लिए वेबसाइट और व्हाट्सएप सर्विसेज का भी इफ्तिताह किया। वजीर आला ने कहा कि ये मुहिम आपका वोट आपका हक आपकी जिंदगी हमारी जमानत का अहद का हिस्सा है। इन्होंने कहा कि साबिक वजीर आला SM कृष्णा ने पहानी दस्तावेजात घर घर पहुंचाने का काम शुरू किया था और अब मौजूदा हुकूमत भी जरूरी सरकारी खदमात लोगों के घरों तक पहुंचा रही है। DK शिवकुमार ने कहा कि कर्नाटक मुल्क की पहली रियासत बन गई है जो 4.85 करोड़ खानदानों को मुफ्त में मुस्तकिल रिहायशी सर्टिफिकेट फराहम कर रही है। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने वोटर फहरिस्त में नाम शामिल करने के लिए जिन 11 दस्तावेजात को तस्लीम किया है उनमें मुस्तकिल रिहायशी सर्टिफिकेट भी शामिल है और हुकूमत इस मुहिम को इलेक्शन कमीशन की हिदायत के मुताबिक नाफिज कर रही है। इन्होंने कहा कि ये मुहिम किसी सियासत के लिए नहीं है बल्कि आवाम को जरूरी सर्टिफिकेट देना रियासती हुकूमत की जिम्मेदारी है। दरख्वास्तें ऑनलाइन सेवा केंद्र और हुबली सतह के सहूलत मराकज़ पर जमा की जा सकती हैं। इन्होंने आवाम से अपील की कि बूथ लेवल ऑफिसर के दिए गए फॉर्म भरकर वापस करें क्योंकि वोटर फहरिस्त में नाम ना होने पर सरकारी सहूलतों से महरूम होना पड़ सकता है। हुकूमत 5 गारंटी स्कीमों और लैंड गारंटी के साथ वोटिंग के हक के तहफुज के लिए भी खुसूसी मुहिम चला रही है। DK शिवकुमार ने कहा कि आवाम की जिंदगी और उनके हुकूक सियासत से ज्यादा अहम है। इन्होंने रेवेन्यू महकमा के अफसरान, गाँव के अकाउंटेंट्स और अमले की खिदमात को सराहा और आवाम से मुस्तकिल रिहायशी सर्टिफिकेट महफूज रखने की अपील की। इस मौके पर डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर और रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर G परमेश्वरा, प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर मुनीश मोदगिल, चीफ मिनिस्टर्स इकोनॉमिक एडवाइजर LK अतीक, एडिशनल चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट राजेंद्र कुमार कटारिया के साथ दीगर अफसरान भी मौजूद थे।
Today on behalf of Government of Karnataka, as I had earlier announced that this is a government, a pro-people government. SIR is going on. We want the voters of Karnataka to be safe. We don't want anyone to misuse it. We want to give them their rights. Every voter should have their right. This is right to vote and right to live. When they have their vote, they can live safely. To facilitate this opportunity from last few days till 29, I was told 10 days it has been extended, but still it is a different question. I request you have a short time, only 10-15 days is available. Karnataka government has come out with a new concept to give you the caste certificate and the permanent resident certificate. Already my deputy CM announced who are living in Karnataka from the past 10 years, who are having their right, who are eligible to the permanent residential certificates will be issued to you. You can download it, and apart from that, 4.85885 crores, that means 4 crores 85 lakhs families have their income and their caste certificates. They have their caste certificates. This is a document which has been issued by the Revenue Department. So my government officials from the downline will go to the respective houses for every individual houses, and they will take a printout copy and they will submit it. Those who can't reach, who are eligible, who are knowledgeable, who know the new format, can go to we have come out with a website today. 2 websites we have been launched. You can go for a permanent certificate, a resident certificate, or the caste certificate. You can download on yourself, get it free, and even the certificate what is available will be to your doorstep. This is a great service the Karnataka government is offering to the people of Karnataka. This is a new concept where no government in the country has done this. We are not looking at politics. We are beyond politics. It is the duty of every citizen to have the right to vote and right to live. So Karnataka government is facilitating. We believe in democracy. We believe in constitution. We believe in giving every section of the society to have their right. So there are a lot of conditions which has been imposed by the Election Commission. In that condition, these two certificates are very much important to establish their rights. So I appeal to all of them. This SC, ST and other caste certificate or OBC caste certificate, it may be minority caste certificate, they can download it. They will be receiving what is the document available in the state of Karnataka, in the document of every Tashildar or a ward or a city or corporation, and the residential certificate, including the rural sector and the urban sector, can be downloaded with filling the necessity requirement. So my officers from the downline, I thank my Mr. Katari and his team under the leadership of our Deputy Chief Minister, will be sending to all the houses, to the doors. By knocking the doors, we are going to give a certificate free of cost. So that is the greatest decision we have taken. Still, I have asked my, affidavit has to be submitted. I have asked my officers to just look into it. Still, how we can help them, how we can help the common man to see that they protect their voting right and to leave it. And one thing I would like to request all of you, if you doesn't have a voting right, you have seen in various states what the central government has taken decision, what the states have taken decision. I don't want them to lose the opportunity of whatever they are getting, the food grains or what essential issues which has been given by the government, or from any pensions or anything, whatever may be. It may be 5 guarantees which we are giving. Guru Lakshmi, Guru Jyoti, Annabhagya, whatever it may be, including the free transport. You should have your own identity for that issued from the state of Karnataka. This will go a long way to extend your bona fide rights which you are living here, breathing here, living here and working here. So this government, which we are here to help you better, you please make of this opportunity whatever you are. We are opening a separate helpline desk in every panchayats to facilitate you, to guide you better, to see that you all get your certificate without any complication, free of cost from the government of Karnataka. This is the greatest initiative which we have taken from the government of Karnataka to help the voters of Karnataka, which you all are living here. I would like to thank you for this, and I would like to thank the media friends for supporting this cause, helping this cause. It's a great initiative. It is our bound duty to help the voters of Karnataka and all of you. Thank you. I don't want to comment on this. Already the Election Commission has come out. We know the law of this land. We are eligible, whatever the certificate we are issuing with authority. We want to facilitate. There is nothing is there. Whether we have discussed with the Election Commission, we have discussed with the authorities as per their guidelines, what the norms tell, as per the law of this country, law of this state, we are providing the concerned certificate. Let BJP or any party, let them shout. It is their duty to shout. But it is our duty to give them the right, we will give them the right.